Monotone, steady in the spine. Kick lands measured clean in line. Still aware of out of frame. Still precise when I name. With something firmer in the tone. Less pressure in the bow. Signal shifting in the line. Feels alive. Still I see the wider grin. Still aware of what they did. Still exact about the scheme. Still dissect the machine. No denial of the strain. No confusion about the change. Still sharp when I speak. Still grounded in critique. But when I hold the center ground, less distortion in the sound. When I don't absorb the heat, less pressure in the beat. Not retreat, not fade. Still sharp in the blade, but less friction in the line. More clarity in the mind. If I don't brace tight, less surge in the fight. If I don't tense the chest, the hum feels less pressed. Still float out there, still unfair. But the weight isn't fixed when I don't react to it. When I stay composed, less pressure imposed. When I anchor steady sight, the tone sits lighter. If I shift the stance, it changes the dance. If I center the frame, it softens the strain. Look inside. Still grime in the storms, still grounded in advance. But the source feels nearer, the direction clear. And our mystical sign just pattern the line. The signal responds to where I want. If I grip it tight, it grips me right. If I loosen hold, it loses fold. That's not surrender, that's not bend. That's understanding where the signal blend. When I center the line, pressure declines. When I steady the stance, less weight in the hands. Not fired in the frame, still calling its name, but adjusting the source. Changes the force when I anchor the base. The strain shift pace when I hold it wide. Less pressure inside. System still flow, that remains low. Still aware of outer strength, still precise about the pain. But the axis is clear, it's partly here. When I brace for impact, the tension reacts. When I hold composed side, the pressure gets light. Not a race, no goal, just weaker in song. If the frame meets reaction, it tightens contraction. If I don't provide, it loses its drive. But I'm seeing the thread runs through my head. Ownership subtle, not loud, not vocal. But I see the tie between stance and reply. If I center the weight, it recalibrates. If I shift the stance, the signal can't dance. Not full control, but a clearer road. Not out of collapse, but internal maps. Clearer now when I spin the direction within. Look inside. When I center the line, pressure declines. When I steady the stance, less weight in the hands. Still aware, still precise, but clearer it vibes. If I hold it right.